Welcome. This is your time to pause, breathe, and return to yourself. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your body arrive gently into stillness. If it feels safe, let your eyes close or simply soften your gaze. Rest your hands where they feel most comfortable. Over your heart, on your belly, or by your side. Now let's begin by connecting with your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, a long, full breath in and a soft, steady breath out. Feel your body begin to settle. Feel the surface beneath you. You are safe here. You are supported. Now I invite you to bring your awareness to this gentle truth. I deserve rest, joy, and peace. Let me say it again. I deserve rest, joy, and peace. There is no need to rush or force anything. Just let the words settle into your body like a soft hum. You don't have to earn this. You don't have to prove anything. Rest, joy, and peace are not luxuries. They are your birthright, and you deserve them deeply, completely, now. Let's speak it together with your breath. Inhale slowly. I deserve. And exhale gently. Rest, joy, and peace. Again, breathe in. I deserve. And breathe out. Rest, joy, and peace. Let your voice be soft, or silent, or simply internal. Inhale, I deserve, and exhale, rest, joy, and peace. Let your breath hold you. Let the rhythm settle your nervous system. Inhale, I deserve. Exhale, rest, joy, and peace. I deserve. Rest, joy, and peace. Now do this on your own for 3 rounds, breathing in slowly, saying I deserve, and exhaling, saying rest, joy, and peace. Now allow this affirmation to take shape as a gentle scene. Imagine yourself beside a slow moving river. The water is calm, clear, and peaceful. You sit on a smooth stone or softly on the grass, feeling supported beneath you. A light breeze brushes your skin, and you hear only the soft sounds of nature. You feel completely at ease here. As you breathe in, the calm of the river flows into you. And as you breathe out, tension leaves your body. Each breath becomes part of the landscape. Each breath invites more peace. You are not expected to give, to carry, to perform. You are simply allowed to be. You deserve rest, joy, and peace. Maybe rest wasn't always welcomed. Maybe joy felt out of reach. Maybe peace seemed impossible. But those were survival seasons, not your forever. This is your reminder, not because you need to be fixed, but because you are already whole. I deserve rest, joy, and peace. You are not lazy for needing rest. You are not selfish for wanting joy. You are not naive for seeking peace. These are human needs. You are human. And you are worthy of all three. Let's soften even more into this truth. Repeat after me, or simply let the words drift over you. My rest is sacred. My joy matters. Peace is not a luxury, it's my right. I release the guilt of stillness. I embrace the joy of little things. I trust the peace within me. I don't have to earn my worth. I deserve rest, joy, and peace. Take one final breath, slow and kind. Feel your body here. Feel your heart softening. Let these words echo within you as you move into your day or into the deep, quiet night. I deserve rest, joy, and peace. There's no need to hold this tightly. Let it walk beside you. When you're ready, begin to return. Wriggle your fingers and your toes and gently open your eyes. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. And remember to shine your light.